Hi friends, let's make a ginger bug. You're probably asking, what's a ginger bug? Well, we're going to use some ginger, and you'll see that I have some fresh ginger in the bottom of this container here. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and microbladed a little bit of it, and I've chopped up the rest of it. It doesn't matter which way. That's why I went ahead and did it both ways, so you could see you can microblade it or you can chop it up. The key is to not peel it. You need that peel. It's very important in the process of fermentation chemically. It's going to do all kinds of magic. What other tools are we going to need? We're going to need some sugar. We're going to need some filtered water and a container to put this in. You need a glass container. Now, I'm not going to use the lid that you see here. It's an enclosed lid, and we need this to breathe. So I'm actually going to use my fermentation lids. They look exactly like this, but they actually have a hole in the top of them. And then there is a plastic, and there it is. There's a plastic apparatus that actually goes into the lid that lets it breathe. And at the top there, it has holes. So it's actually getting that oxygen so that it can ferment. Now, there are all sorts of things that you can make with a ginger bug. Ginger ale, ginger beer. You can make infused natural sodas, pop. Very healthy for you because this is a probiotic. I'm not really a kombucha person, so I've got to look for other ways to get that healthy gut probiotic in my system. The ginger ale that you buy today really doesn't have a lot of ginger ale in it. It's a lot of flavorings. So we're going to use some real ginger, and we're going to get this going. For a gallon jar, I'm going to use 4 cups of water. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar. So to that filtered 4 cups of water, we're going to add our 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of the chopped/minced ginger. Once you get the 4 tablespoons of ginger in there with the filtered water and the 4 tablespoons of sugar, we're just going to mix that up. So we're going to have to feed this every day. So I'm going to save this ginger in a container, put it in the refrigerator, and tomorrow when we feed this, we'll be using it. So every day for the next 5 days, I am going to add 4 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of ginger. And I'm going to start seeing it bubble, and that's going to be the carbonation for the ginger bug. So if you were doing this in a quart jar, it would be 1 cup of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And you would add that, feed that same amount to it every day for 5 days, stirring it. And you would want to make sure this is not in an enclosed quart jar. You could put a coffee filter over it with a rubber band, or throw a towel over it. You just want to make sure that air is getting to it so it can go through the process. A lot of people may be wondering, what are we going to do with this? As I mentioned, ginger ale, ginger beer. You can make healthy, natural sodas for you and your family to drink. Use some infusions to add to the ginger bug for the carbonation. For example, strawberry and rose, or just strawberry, or can make a pineapple drink or a lemon lime drink. It's very good for the digestive. If you've got an upset belly, the ginger is helpful. So many possibilities. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And stay healthy, friends. Don't forget to shake and feed your ginger bugs.